The big motivator for me is me seeing parents and warriors overcome. Because about 30% of warriors have pain every day, right? And so they're taking opioids every day. I think sometimes they don't recognize how that sedation is impacting their mood. I always say that there's this cycle of the red blood cell sickling, and then that stops the oxygen, and then that leads to more sickling, and that's a cycle. But I think there's so many other cycles in sickle cell disease, and one of them is the fatigue and the depression and the isolation, and that just turns into a vicious cycle. Incidence of mental health issues in the sickle cell community is grossly underestimated. I think that a fair number of our warriors have PTSD, because they have led these lives that have been, so interrupted. And I think that it's a mind-body relationship. So I think that if we can address those issues, sometimes with therapy, sometimes with medication, sometimes with, talk therapy, motivational therapy, I think any way that we can help you to be more comfortable in your own skin, be more accepting of this is the challenge that you have, and everybody has a challenge in their lives. I think that if your mind is more sound, then your body is going to be more sound too. Patients are living longer and longer, but we need to help them to live better and better. And so that's what I think is important.